Hello everyone, how are you today? I'm Dr. Paramjeet and you're watching Dr. Education. Today we are going to talk about yoga for health. What are the medical recommendations? And what do you know about yoga? I guess many of you might be doing yoga, going to classes, and might say that I know ample amount yoga, but today I'm not going to discuss about the benefits of yoga. Well, we're going to touch that, but we are also going to discuss about what caution you need to take if you want to go for yoga. What are the medical recommendations? What are the caution which you should use, and how can you prevent injuries? Yes, yoga can lead to injuries as well. So guys, today we are going to discuss and I'll give you 5 pointers which are the most important things to remember about yoga. So today we are going to discuss so many things. So today on the International Yoga Day, I'm going to discuss all these things about yoga with you. So let's start, guys.
If you want to know about health and have health concerns, then subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. You'll be notified about all upcoming videos.
Yoga is a practice that connects your body and breath with your mind. So that's very important in yoga, and it's not a physical exercise. It's not. Although it uses physical postures, but it more so involves breathing exercises and meditation, and it's intended to improve your overall health. And that's what it was developed for. It was developed as a spiritual practice thousands of years ago in India. Most of us do it for an exercise or to reduce stress. There are many scientific researches which suggest that yoga has a lot of benefits. Yoga can improve your overall fitness level. It can improve your posture, your flexibility. It can also help you with a lot of diseases. It can help you lower your blood pressure, your heart rate. It can improve your stress levels, help you relax, improve your self-confidence. It can aid with your digestion. It can help you sleep better. It can improve your coordination and your concentration. In addition, practicing yoga can also help with anxiety and depression and even pain. Yes, back pain, chronic pain. It has a lot of beneficial effects for pain as well. So, what are the cautions which I'm going to talk about? Yes, yoga is generally safe for most people, especially if you're already healthy. But you may need to avoid some yoga poses or modify those poses according to your physical and health conditions. So what are these health conditions where you need to talk to your doctor? First is very obvious: if you are pregnant. Obviously, if you're pregnant, you cannot do all the possible poses. If you're pregnant, if you have high blood pressure, if you have glaucoma is increased pressure inside the eyes. If you have sciatica is the pain which goes from your back all to the lower limbs. It can be one-sided or it can be both as well. So make sure to tell your yoga instructor if you have any of these conditions and any other health problem or injury. A qualified yoga teacher should be able to help you and find poses that are safe for you. If we talk about yoga, all styles of yoga include 3 basic components. First and most important is breathing. You focusing on your breath is an important part of yoga. Your teacher will offer instructions of breathing exercises all during the class. Second thing are poses. Yoga poses or postures are a series of movements that help boost your strength, your flexibility and the balance. They have a wide range of postures and they have ranges in difficulty from lying flat on the floor to a difficult balancing postures. The third important thing is meditation. Yoga classes usually end with a short period of meditation, and this calms the mind and help you relax. Now, the most important thing, how to prevent injury. While yoga is generally safe, you can still get hurt if you do a pose incorrectly or push yourself too far. Here are some tips on how you can stay safe while doing yoga. If you have a health condition, most important thing is to talk to your healthcare provider, your doctor, before starting yoga and ask if there is any pose or any specific movement which you need to avoid. Start slowly and learn the basic before pushing yourself too far in yoga. Choose a class that is appropriate for your level. If you are not sure, ask your teacher. Do not push yourself beyond the comfort level. If you cannot do a pose, ask your teacher to help you modify it. Ask questions. That's most important. You need to ask questions if you're not sure how to do a pose. Always bring along a water bottle and drink plenty of water. This is actually most important for hot yoga. That is a type of yoga where the yoga is done in a hot classroom, in a hot environment. Wearing loose clothes is also important, which will allow you to move freely. And most important thing, you need to listen to your body. If you feel pain or fatigue, stop right there and rest. That is the most important thing to avoid injuries. Then lastly, I said I'm going to give you 5 pointers about yoga. So the first point is that studies suggest that yoga is very beneficial for a number of health conditions, including pain like chronic low back pain. But the second point is that studies show that certain other health conditions may not benefit from yoga. What are these health conditions? These are asthma, arthritis. Asthma and arthritis studies had mixed results. Sometimes people get benefits temporarily. That's more because of muscular relaxations, but the joint arthritis which is there still persists. So the main disease is not being cured here. The third point is yoga is generally safe for any healthy person when practiced appropriately. However, people with high blood pressure, glaucoma, sciatica and pregnant women, they need to avoid some kind of movement, some postures, and should modify their yoga according to their health conditions. Fourth point is that you need to practice yoga mindfully and safely. Everyone's body is different and yoga postures should be modified based on your individual abilities. Carefully selecting an instructor who is experienced and attentive to your need is an important step to helping you practice yoga safely. And you also need to play your part by informing your instructor if you have any medical issues, and you need to discuss about the physical demands of yoga and whether you are ready to do that or not. Fifth point is to talk to your doctor. Most people don't do that. Talk to your doctor about any kind of complementary health practices you want to use, including yoga. If you're thinking of practicing yoga, you need to discuss and give your doctor a full picture of what you do to manage your health, including any home remedies or any other way you manage your health condition. This will help ensure coordinated and safe healthcare for your particular case. So guys, that's all the advice there is about the medical recommendations for yoga, for cautions, for safety, and how to practice yoga according to your particular healthcare conditions. So guys, later on I'm going to include yoga for pregnant ladies, perinatal yoga, and yoga for elderlies as well. We are also going to discuss about yoga for stress management. That's very important. So make sure to subscribe my channel and don't forget to share this video. So I'm Dr. Paramjeet. Those who don't know me, I am a consultant physician, cardiologist in Yashoda Super Speciality Hospital, Nehru Nagar, Delhi NCR. And in this channel, in Doctor Education, I upload a lot of healthcare videos and I give you most authentic and reliable information which is directly referenced from the internationally accepted, the most biggest medical library in the world, US National Medical Library. so you can trust this information. So make sure to browse my channel for many other videos on many other topics, including weight loss, diabetes, hypertension, and heart diseases. And make sure to write your comments down below. Let me know how you like this video. So till next time, guys, stay connected, stay healthy.